Hello everybody, in this lesson I will show you how to find the product of two binomials. In other words, I will explain FOIL to you. When two binomials are multiplied by each other, each term in the first bracket has to be multiplied by each term in the second bracket. Now, something that's familiar to you is the distributive law of multiplication. When I give you 2 bracket x plus 3, it means you will take the 2 and multiply with each term inside the bracket. So you will say 2 times x is 2x and 2 times plus 3 is plus 6. Now when we deal with two binomials, it works exactly the same. So we will start by saying x times x is x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x. And now it's the 1. Plus 1 times x is plus 1x. Plus 1 times 2 is plus 2. And then you cannot stop here because there's two like terms here in the middle. You will also add them. So x squared will write with, and then 2x plus x is 3x, and plus 2 writes with. Simplify. Let's do another example. Two binomials. X plus 3 times x minus 2. We'll start by saying x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Now the plus 3. Plus 3 times x is plus 3x, and plus 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And then again x squared writes with, but we can add the two like terms in the middle. Negative 2x plus 3x is just plus x, and minus 6 writes with. Let's do another example. Simplify. Two binomials. A minus 3 times a minus 1. A times a is a squared. A times negative 1 is negative a. Minus 3 times a is negative 3a, and negative 3 times negative 1 is plus 3. And again, a squared writes with, we add the two like terms in the middle. Negative a, negative 3a is negative 4a, and plus 3 writes with. Simplify. Now I give you two binomials, and what is different here is suddenly the coefficient in front of x isn't a 1, it's just a 2. But it doesn't really matter, you deal with it exactly the same way. So you will start by saying 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. Now it's the 1. Plus 1 times x is plus 1x, and plus 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. And again, 2x squared writes with, and we add the like terms in the middle. Negative 8x plus x is negative 7x, and minus 4 writes with. Let's do another example. The question, simplify, and then I give you two binomials. 3b plus 1 times 2b minus 2. Again, we will start by saying 3b times 2b is 6b squared. And then we'll say 3b times negative 2 is negative 6b. Now we'll say plus 1 times 2b is plus 2b, and plus 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. And then 6b squared writes with, and we add the like terms in the middle. Negative 6b plus 2b is negative 4b, and minus 2 writes with. Simplify. And then I give you two binomials. Now what's different here is suddenly on the second term there's also a variable y. But it really doesn't matter. You deal with it exactly the same way. So you'll start by saying 2x times 5x is 10x squared. 2x times plus y is plus 2xy. Now minus 3y. Minus 3y times 5x is minus 15xy. And then minus 3y times plus y is minus 3y squared. And then the 10x squared will write with, and then middle terms are like terms, we can add them. Plus 2xy minus 15xy is negative 13xy, and minus 3y squared writes with. And then this method is sometimes referred to as FOIL. In the next video, I will teach you how to square a binomial. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next video.